is January Ixton unto E. And this is part 2 of my driving video of going to Golden Crow and Maple Grove. And they once had Golden Crows in the Twin Cities. Going on in Coon Rapids, but they fucking closed. Which really fucking sucks and closed. That one I don't think was doing the greatest, and I don't think they ran it the greatest, so that what caused all that to end up going to shit. I'm thinking it lasted for a little bit of 20 years, and they closed even before the pandemic hit. Just a few months. Maybe they knew there was going to be a pandemic. Well, there was a video from someone, I didn't know it was out at the time, who said even Donald Trump, you know, your anti-vax supporters signed a emergency authorization for a pandemic that was going to happen in, I think, October 2010. Like, how the fuck did they know this? They had drills, what would happen? No, just a fucking coincidence. Tomorrow's spoken words is going to be about through Zoom. I don't know if Balls Cabaret will ever be back. It doesn't fucking look like it. Like I said, if they made it mandatory that you have to be shut up with that fucking repulsive shit vaccine, then I would just rather have them not exist. So hopefully people are getting past that shit, but not everyone. Let's hope it'll. I mean, if I look, Anna is the first year in which I've suffered some major setbacks. And by Anna, because of this fucking pandemic fucking bullshit. It was in Anna, ooh, I got most things restored, but not everything. And I fucking hate it when I lose things, or something taken away from me. And not everything is back yet. Oh my god, it's fucking morning today. It'd be worse if it was a big snowstorm though. And there's gonna be some snow before all is said and done. I just hope it happens before I get home. They're just saying the snow is gonna be less than an inch, so I don't think I can take any pictures because of the rain. At least today is not on my routines that are associated with having Asperger's. Where I go to a buffet, go to Bunk, and the Bunk is fucking closed. The post office goes to Holiday. Yeah, but I can tell it's eating away a lot of the snow. This snow is going to most likely be around until March, unless you get a repeat like everywhere you else in Edmonton. It went up 6 degrees a few times. The warmest that I'd ever gotten in February. Oh shit. Running up the hill. What did that song go? Oh no, I can't fucking remember who did it. If I heard the name, I know who did it. Running up that hill. Oh shit, I can't remember now. Oh god, I'm losing my fucking memory as I get older. I could be itched in September. Oh my god. Oh, the tip of that building looks. Is that a Holiday Inn? The tip of that building there looks kind of like a penis. It really looks like a penis, but as I get closer, it looks like a square penis. That definitely looks like a square penis. I think it looked like a penis before, and I never mentioned it, so I think it was there for a while. How the fuck did I not notice that until now? My spoken words through Zoom tomorrow is going to be about the H1N1, which was, they said was going to become a major pandemic, but welcome it didn't. The owners of the world were afraid to pull this shit off back then. And as Alex Jones said, Alex Jones is wrong about a lot of things he said, but he was right about predicting there was going to be a pandemic. He was right that 9/11 was going to happen. Alex Jones was the first person to talk about drones. He was the first person who ever mentioned drones. You talk about back in the day, like 2009, we mentioned drones. People would think you're a conspiracy nutcase. Oh, there's no such thing as drones. Well, there's fucking drones. They fucking exist. And people like having their head up their ass and are in denial of their oppressors. You know, and the shit they're pulling and implantable microchips and, oh god, you gotta worry about your fucking cell phone. There was a what the Rumble, not Rumble, the alternative video sharing site, but was talking about what store is that? Not Rumble, or this is probably like a furniture store. Nothing that would impress me or would be useful for me. It's like a vacuum that has cameras in it and takes pictures of you without your consent, even if you're naked and you don't know it. I mean, it used to be Alex Jones that would talk about this shit. Now other people are talking about it, like the guy allegedly, that Dan guy, Nick Johnson. I watched some of his videos and I partly agree with him, but he's a fucking asshole in a lot of ways. He talks like a fucking Republican, and what did he get into? Talked about increased poverty, crime. He said that people are lazy, too lazy to want to work and start a family. Okay, well, more people would be willing to work if the jobs actually fucking paid them enough to live on, but they don't. That would be an incentive for people to work. And they treated their employees halfway decent. So I think that's why the system is kind of losing control right now, and they're trying to fuck the economy up so there will be a recession, so people will be at the mercy of these fucking scumfuck shit corporations and their bullshit. And when they go for a job interview, I'm gonna be a little bitch master. I'll do whatever you want. I'll work the worst hours. I'll work weekends. I'll work nights, and I'll take very little pay. It ain't gonna be enough to pay me. Ain't gonna be enough to get me a place to live, but I'll take it. I'll be grateful whatever crumbs you throw at me. It'll be so wonderful. Oh, but the big thing is, they don't want to start a family. And Nick Johnson can be a fucking asshole. But he says things I agree with, like the, sending, outsourcing our jobs and things like that. I agree with him there, and there was quite a bit I agreed with. But then he supports the policies that are creating all this shit in the first fucking place. You're a typical Republican fucking hypocrite. That's what Alex Jones did. Yeah, he really has done. See, I don't listen to him anymore, or very often, unless there's a major crisis going on. Because I'm sick and fucking tired of people claiming the Republicans are the answer. No, they're not the answer. They're a bunch of fucking scum. I hate Republicans. I don't like Democrats. I don't like any. All politicians seem to be scum and corrupt. They're all pieces of shit, is all they are. Even though the car got broken into, and it could have been a lot worse. I maybe the rain let up where I can actually take some pictures, and I won't make it before 8 o'clock, unfortunately. And but so now it's onto E. Always, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting videos than I do. People like my videos. Fuck them. They're not my friends anyway. And hopefully I go to Atlanta. I don't think there'll be any buffet days the rest of the month. I don't see how I'm going to get Tron videos either, because unless there's like a real warm day or something. And people get to hear my spoken words and see my videos are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. The spoken words to me tomorrow will be not just the H1N1, but the governor of the state at the time, Tim Pawlenty, was a fucking asshole. He ran for president, and he was so fucking full of fucking shit that nobody liked him, and he couldn't even hide it. People could, and that's why he ain't really governor anymore, thankfully. God, was he a fucking asshole. So that was, everything was going on while I was on. He was going to cut health insurance and charge people $7,000 copay every time you needed health care. That's what these fucking Republican pieces of shit fucking propose. Republican fucking scumbag pieces of fucking shit. Oh, well, this video is concluding in a good way. And I was diagnosed on June 2002 days before David Carradine died while he was jerking off. So, yeah, it'll be, as I saw the 2 days before I was officially diagnosed. I didn't know about David Carradine yet. You know, so you don't know what happens until the day gets there.